My name is Yusuf, a soldier of Sultan Qaitbay. The year is 1480. The Ottoman fleet is our greatest threat, and it could appear at any moment. Come, I'll show you how we defend Alexandria. 3 years ago, Sultan Al-Ashraf Qaitbay ordered this fortress to be built on the site of the ancient lighthouse of Alexandria to become the shield of the city and the guardian of the eastern harbor. This is our first line of defense. From behind these arrow slits, we watch the sea day and night. Did you hear that? The alarm horn. The battle could begin at any moment. Every cannon is ready.
Here lies the inner wall. A wooden gate protects the entrance, topped by a heavy iron portcullis that is lowered whenever danger approaches.
Along this inner wall, there are 34 quarters for the fortress garrison. This is where we live, rest, and remain ready to defend the citadel at a moment's notice.
In this courtyard, we train every day. To the north, our cannons are aimed directly at the sea.
This is our main gate. Above it is Sultan Qaitbay's royal emblem. From these arrow slits, we guard the sea. Parts of this gateway were built using stones from the ancient lighthouse of Alexandria.
Welcome to our mosque on the first floor of the citadel. It is one of Alexandria's oldest mosques. Its beautiful marble floor is one of its features, and in these iwans, our scholars inspired us to defend our homeland.
Here is the mihrab of our citadel's mosque. Our imam led us in prayer, and we stood behind him in one row, preparing to defend Alexandria.
This is the grain grinding room on the first floor. Here, the animals turned the mill to grind grain into flour, which was used to bake fresh bread for the soldiers every day.
This was the citadel's kitchen. After the food was prepared, we gathered here in this hall to share our meals before returning to our guard duties.
We are still on the first floor of the citadel. Behind these walls lies the underground passage that served as the soldiers' escape route during times of danger. Beside it is the water cistern that supplied the garrison with fresh water. On the second floor, soldiers used these corridors to watch the fortress surroundings through these openings, keeping a close watch for any danger and preparing to defend the citadel. And here, inside one of the citadel's halls, commanders would meet with the soldiers to discuss defense matters and prepare for any danger. On the second floor, one of the most notable defensive features was the oil-dropping openings, which could be used to pour boiling oil onto attackers attempting to storm the fortress. And here we have reached the third and final floor, where a corridor extended along the 8 chambers for the soldiers, weapons, while also allowing them to monitor approaching ships. Welcome to the Sultan's Iwan. My Sultan, what do you watch from here?
I watch the soldiers training, and I keep an eye on the ships approaching from the sea, in case of any danger.
Here on the third floor, this oven was used to prepare bread for the soldiers. And with that, conclude our journey through the halls of Qaitbay Citadel, where its stones still tell the story of its past.